If you want to use lock screen shortcuts on Google Pixel 11, once you open the lock screen here in the bottom left and bottom right corner, you should be able to find some of the lock screen shortcuts. Of course, they can also be disabled, but essentially if you want to use any of them, you can just press and hold your finger until it's activated. So you will notice that it changes the color, for example, which means that you can easily toggle something or open something. And you can do the same thing with the other shortcut, of course. You can just press and hold your finger to use it. In case you want to customize these shortcuts, what you need to do is you need to open Settings. Now in Settings, you want to find Wallpaper and Style. Here, if you have the lock screen preview, you want to swipe up from the bottom side here. And then you can go to Shortcuts. And then you can, of course, choose what should be attached to the left shortcut and the right shortcut. And if you made any changes, use the Apply button in the upper right corner to save it. Leave a like and subscribe.